Oh.
Oh.
Out the ditch again. They don't make landings like that anymore. Hey,
Okay. Let's focus on the birds.
You got it recording?
Yep.
Oh, nice. They are trying to kill my plane.
The plane and a bird. More birds. What if it, like, takes it down?
And I'm effed and without a plane.
I just have the best shot ever.
I think I'm chasing it now. Pretty sure. Yeah, you better run. I got a propeller. Where'd those other ones go? They kind of flew away.
I don't know.
Watch it. Take a video of this landing because it's going to be bombed. Ah, returning victorious. Okay, sweet landing now. Let's watch it. What are you doing there?
Look at that ass. Oh, I wasn't even recording that. You should warn me. Jesse, I almost got you.
Without a plane.
I just have the best shot ever.
I think I'm chasing it now. Pretty sure.